I want to show you how to add a video transition effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go. I have already added 2 video clips to my timeline. Then go to the effects. If you don't see the effects, go to Windows and activate the effects. Our main goal is to focus on the single effect that's called Band Slide Transition. Under the Effects menu, click on the Video Transitions, then the Slide drop-down menu, click on the Band Slide Transition, and drag it to the point where you want that effect to start. Of course, you can play with some options here, just increasing or decreasing the size of the video, or just modifying the duration. For sure, in Premiere Pro, you will find different type of the transitions. Let's see the result. I hope to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.